Welcome back. This video will explain how to use the include and omit functions while in find mode. When you perform a normal find process, then by default, this little button up here that you may have never noticed is set to include. So for example, if I wanted to find all hearing instruments, notice again this button here is selected by default. So I'm going to perform a find, and it includes and shows me all hearing instruments based on that one simple search criteria. Let's do it again. And if I do hearing instrument, but this time change it, by default it's saying include, I'm going to change it to omit. So that's basically going to say, give me everything except hearing instruments. So we'll perform the find. And notice now we have everything here except hearing instruments. Now you might be thinking, if you've seen another video or are aware of this function, that you can also show the opposite of your found set by clicking the pie chart up here, which will toggle, and in this case now it shows 1127 hearing instruments, or toggling back everything except hearing instruments. So that is certainly something to keep in mind, but there may be times that you want to further omit or constrain or extend, and I'll show you how you can do that with a found set here. So I'm going to click find, and I'm going to further make this smaller by saying I want to not constrain to just accessories, but instead I want to omit. I don't want accessories in this group that I took a long time to find perhaps. And now when I constrain, I will constrain to omit any of that particular group. And in the same way I can find again and omit a particular office location or a particular clinician, etc. So let's just omit any of these line items, making sure that this is marked here, and then I can constrain and omit any office locations as desired. So that'll come in handy. Just learn that feature, play around with it for a little while, and that'll come in handy with the ability to either include or omit a group when you do a search, query, or a find.